Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Universe, Source to the Rescue. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. Monday, October 11th, 11:01 p.m. Source: God comes to the rescue of humanity after million years of experiment exposing mankind to pains, trials, sufferings, disease, and trauma. Halting our downtrodden trek has come, bringing forth the rising of energies, the rise of higher frequency vibration. We had the worst, including abduction, depopulation for control, pandemics and DNA change through genetics by the dark while we evolve. Other higher frequency light beings have not opted to pass through physicality, and never experienced difficulties of living in such unexplainable situations of trials, near death, or death experiences, escape mechanisms we had. These are experience beyond human beings can comprehend. My case: 3 months wait of death of earth and shell from a disease wrongly diagnosed by prominent medical doctors in 1956, and other deadly threats of darkness, dark armies, bad elements and dark shadows. Death or decay is a foregone conclusion until today, where Source gave humanity a choice of transcendence and transformation to crystalline light with the advent and flow of higher frequency energies overflowing humanity and the planet. We realize we are creators, everything is within us. We now choose how we further evolve as Creator provides energies for us to no longer experience physicality as we transform to a lighter frequency vibration in form. Suns and powerful central sun, Alcyone, sun's brilliance are brought to Earth, to each individual heart cells within us. Our bodies accept flow of intense sun's brilliance, permeate cells, activate sensors and transmitters therein that awaken us. These intense energies make humans realize who they are, and their reasons of existence on the planet, a process known as the shift from limited consciousness, 3D, to full consciousness, the 5th D, or the new Earth. We should be prepared for this event as our time, now. These brilliant sunlight, God's particles, the intense light energies permeating awake us, prepared humans for the shift. Our higher self soul assists us on utilizing the pineal gland, transform intense light rays to nutrients as our bodies shield from ultraviolet rays. The P-shaped pineal gland function isn't fully understood by science until this moment. Are times where the pineal center will be light activated to expanded multidimensional level system and return high frequency qualities within us, innate unknown connectivity with beings of higher realm. Visits of ascended masters, archangels to humanity are communicated through telepathy, thus we obtain knowledge and wisdom. Their offer to join higher realm existence to prepared humans is open. We can access wisdom, information, and memories from within ourselves as they told us. God calls incarnate volunteers, way showers, leading the way, who serve as examples of love, compassion and kindness in our world, humans who are heart-centered, think and act from their hearts and souls. You can see them as they move, speak and lead the way to awaken more humans and remember who they really are. Awaken, flooded by memories within, provided direct connection of heart, mind and soul that will now be part of full human consciousness. With this background of events, the culmination of our desires for a better life, spiritual rebirth, is happening to humanity, without dying. Transformation of earth and body to crystalline light is now a choice for humanity. Death we expected for eons lost its power over humans. God gave us a choice, as God is within all mankind, never left us since creation. We just happened to learn separation and duality, practice them, and went down. The dark will be given a choice to join the light or live in other Earth-like planets to evolve to light. We are fully assisted by Source, and all light messengers in our journey to ascension from limited consciousness to full consciousness. They observe our journey to that beautiful world of love and wonders, the world of our dreams permeating the consciousness of the universe. We travel to a new Earth, a new civilization, another gigantic step for mankind destined to be an active participant in the galactic world. Let us destroy the old system, as we are knowing powerful billions of wisdom who can do and perform the deeds appropriate for our evolution. As we shift to a higher plane, we will evolve dreaming for the 6th plane, a higher plane of existence. The truth is, we will further evolve to the next higher vibrational frequency as other higher beings evolve one notch higher frequency vibration. The process takes eons to happen, but ascension is happening now. Love and light. Angel V. ORNEDO Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness. Connect at Barnes & Noble, Zlibris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator, or ebooks and articles at the net.